world and woke up in another. Suddenly, the pandemic has changed us and our lifestyles completely. Hi, this is Devi Raji and you watching Kache Dhage. So the moment you hear the word pandemic, the immediate reflex to it is the popping of the word mask. You see, faster than a spinning top, the mask has taken the whole market. Suddenly it has become the fashion trend and the best gifting options. So considering the high importance of mask, today's video is going to be about it. Today we're going to embroider a mask. Without wasting much of time, let's just walk into it. So that is all for today, and this is ready. Let's try it on. You see, this is looking perfect. So if you're liking my learning journey, please keep supporting. Bye until we meet next.